Game! Hi guys! Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, I'm Maxi Gonzon and today we'll be doing a review. Hindi ko masyadong ginagawa actually, mag-review ng products. Dati nag-review ako ng piano, which the one I still use right now. Pero today, I'll be reviewing another product. It's a product na matagal ko nang hinahanap kasi as you know, I'm already working. But I also have my after-work activities. So, I need a bag na kasya lahat ng mga pangangailangan ko for the entire day. So, context lang, I have a 9 to 5. I work in Makati, but sometimes I go to Parañaque, Alabang, Manila, Taguig, BGC, all around the metro. So, kailangan ko ng bag na kasya yung laptop ko. And at the same time, I have after-work activities. So, I also need that bag to contain my rubber shoes, which I use for gym. And sometimes, kailangan ko ng libro for my Spanish class. Pero that's very rare kasi usually yung laptop din yung gamit ko for my Spanish class. So, yung pinakamahalaga is kasya dapat yung rubber shoes ko for my gym session after work. And also, syempre, kapag nag-gym ako, tatanggalin ko yung polo ko, yung pants ko, yung belt ko, everything na I wear for my corporate job. And syempre, kailangan may paglalagyan siya sa bag ko. So, I think I found the perfect bag. So, I will be reviewing it today. So, context, before I bought this bag, I had two bags. So, una, meron akong Nike na duffel bag. But, it looked so jologs together with my corporate attire. Parang hindi siya bagay na Nike duffel bag na plastic yung material. Tapos yung get-up ko is very corporate, very formal. Parang ang jologs niya tignan. So, I decided to buy a Herschel duffel bag, which I think looks better. Ang downside lang nun is mabigat na agad siya kahit wala pa siyang laman. Kasi ang bigat ng strap niya and medyo bulky siya. So, minsan kasi nag-aangkas ako, ang hirap niyang dalhin. Talagang sakbit-sakbit ko siya dito. Tapos ang laki-laki niya. Yung laman niya is sakto lang naman, pero ang bulky niya tignan. So, that's why I decided to buy and invest in another bag. And I believe this is the bag I am looking for. And that bag is itong Bash Mini Weekender. So this is the bag that we will be reviewing today and hopefully ma-convince ko kayo to also get one. But this video is not sponsored. Pero Bea Alonso, baka naman no, call me. So ayun, I will be reviewing this bag and I will be showing you all of the contents and all of the things that I bring to my day-to-day life. Okay? So, let's start. Unahin na natin itong kasama niyang pouch kasi personally, hindi ko to ginagamit. So, para siyang case for your anik-anik. So, pwede siguro mga makeup sa mga nagbe-makeup. Pwede rin siya sa mga wallets. I don't know what to use it for honestly, kaya hindi ko pa siya ginagamit. Pero meron siyang dalawang zipper. So, ito sa harap. Malawak siya. Kasi itong sa likod, it's a smaller pouch compared dun sa harap. Pero I think madami pa rin siyang kasya. So ayun, I think you can use this for your anik-anik, for your makeup, for your toiletries. Ayun, pwede yun. And kung may mga kailangan kayong ihiwalay na gamit, let's say for example, actually pwede ko siyang gamitin sa basang damit. Kaso baka mangamoy. Pero this one, yung material niya is parang nylon, parang plastic. And then nakatahi siya and meron siyang dalawang zipper. And by the way, I got the Mini Weekender. I got the color black. Initially, I got the color white, pero I had to return it kasi yung leather straps niya, ito, yung ganito niya is basa pa from the leather dye. Since white yung bag, kitang-kita na kumukulay pa yung leather dye dun sa actual na bag. Nylon yung material nun. And also, unfortunately, since gamit-gamit ko nga siya, nakulayan din yung ganito ng polo ko since sinasakbit ko siya. So, I had it returned. Thankfully, the customer service of Bash was very helpful. So, ayun, talagang sila na yung nagpa-deliver sa akin itong bagong to since I requested for a black bag instead of a white one kasi medyo dumihin nga pala talaga yung white. Given my personality, talagang tinatapon ko lang yung bag ko sa kung saan-saan. Nilalagay ko lang sa sahig. So, hindi pwede sa akin yung white. So, that's why I decided to get a black one. And fortunately, meron naman silang black na stock during that time na nagpa-return ako. So, that's it for this pouch. Ayun, pwede nyo siyang gamitin for your anik-anik. Tult ako. Pero, ayun, let's go to the bag itself. Okay, so for the bag itself, this is it. Marami siyang zipper. Unahin natin muna yung mga nasa labas. So, sa labas, meron siyang side pockets. So, nung una, akala ko hindi kakasya yung water bottle ko. Medyo makapal kasi siya. Ayan, ganyan yung girth niya. And akala ko hindi siya kakasya. Pero, kasya naman as you can see. Saktong-sakto nga siya. So, confident ka na hindi siya malalaglag while you're walking or special kapag nasa angkas ka. Basta ipasok mo lang ng mabuti. So, ayan. Saktong-sakto siya dito. Ayan. So, tanggalin muna natin siya. So, again, gaya ng sinabi ko, dalawa yung side pockets niya. One of the pockets, I put my water bottle. And dito sa kabilang pocket, I put my very cute and very small na umbrella. So, ito lang yung payong ko, guys. By the way, binili ko sa TikTok. So, kung kailangan nyo ng ganito kalaki na payong na hindi masyadong bulky and pang isang tao lang, sa TikTok madami. Nilagyan ko din siya ng charms. So, itong mga charms na tabigay sa akin ng friend ko. So, ito, pansit canton, mi goreng. Ay, hindi siya mi goreng. Samyang na green, ayan. Tapos, itong balloon na dog. Hindi ko mapakita kasi ang bigat ng bag ko. And itong film roll. Ayan. Pwede mo siya lagyan ng charms. And also, yun yung dalawang side pockets. So, one for my water bottle, one for my umbrella. Meron din siyang kasamang crossbody strap na pwede mong i-adjust. So, ayan. Pwede mo siyang habaan na ganito. Pwede mo din siyang iklian. So, ako iniiksian ko siya tapos sinasakbit ko siya dito. Pero kung gusto mo naka-crossbody, pwede mo siyang habaan. So, besides the strap na pwede mong tanggalin by the way kasi naka-clip lang siya. Ayan, as you can see, may clip siya. And then, i-clip on mo lang siya dito sa bag. Meron din siyang leather strap which is this one. So, itong leather strap, ito yung sinabi kong kumukulay kasi basa pa nung una. Pero this time around, I think wala naman ng problema. Ito yung one of my downsides for this bag. Honestly, the leather strap feels cheap. Parang hindi siya totoong leather. Baka faux leather lang siya. I don't know. For its price, which is by the way, at 2,200. Usually, 2,500 siya. Nabili ko siya ng sale sa TikTok yata. Yeah, sa TikTok during the 5/5 sale. So, ayun, I think pwede na. Pero ayun, I don't like this material. It feels so cheap compared to what I had sa Herschel bag ko na talaga makapal yung leather and alam mong hindi masisira agad. Ito parang manipis siya and parang masisira siya agad. So, ayun, that's one of the downsides. And by the way, the bag itself is also made from the same material as the pouch earlier na parang plastic. Let's go to the other pockets. So, napakita ko na yung side pockets. Yung front pocket, meron siyang zipper. Ayan. And inside, meron siyang mga additional compartments na pwede nyong paglagyan ng kung ano-ano. Hindi ko siya mapakita kasi ang bigat ng bag. Pero ayan, madami siyang compartment sa loob. Merong malaking compartment and then merong isa pang naka-zipper na compartment. And yung isa, meron siyang parang garter na easy access, makukuha mo agad. And of course, spacious din itong entire thing na ito. And for the back side, meron siyang open dito and may mga bulsad siya dito sa loob. And ang kagandahan nito, you can open the bottom and pwede mong ipasok to sa maleta mo. So, ayan. Napasok ko yung kamay ko. So, pwedeng ipasok yung handle ng maleta. Kasi, pwede itong ipatong sa maleta in short. Okay, now let's go through the main compartment of the bag. Pero before that, unahin pala muna natin yung likod. So, yung likod, this is what I call the laptop compartment. So, ayan. Meron siyang sleeve ng laptop na merong strap. So, hindi siya malalaglag. Tapos, dito ko din nilalagay yung mouse ko, yung charger ng laptop ko. So, pwede siya for my laptop, which I use for my work and for my Spanish class. And lastly, the main compartment of the bag, eto na siya. Ibababa ko ng onte para makita nyo. So, this is the main compartment of the bag. Ayan, as you can see, you can open it 3/4 of the way. So, para siyang maleta. So, itong takip, meron siyang compartment dito. Ito hindi ko siya nagagamit, pero pwede mo sigurong lagyan ng folders or clothes. And meron siyang dalawang zippers for this one. Ito, naka-mesh siya. So, kita mo kung ano yung nasa loob. So, dito nilalagay ko yung Jisoo Life ko. And then sa other one naman, yung power bank ko. And ito yung main compartment. So, as you can see, meron akong sapatos dito. So, pinaghaharap ko yung dirty side kasi diyan ko nilalagay yung sapatos ko. And then dito yung mga damit. Dito sa damit portion, gaya na sinabi ko, I remove all of my clothes. So, my pants, my polo. And then yung panloob kong t-shirt, yun rin ginagamit ko sa gym para efficient tayo and isang labahan na lang. Tapos nagpapalit na lang ako kapag pauwi. So, kasyang-kasya dito, feel ko dalawang sapatos, isang pares ng sapatos, and then your clothes. Yeah, that's it for the main compartment. That's it for this, for the portion of this video talking about the features of the bag. What I really like about this bag is ang gaang niya, bag mo palagyan ng gamit. Kasi previously, gaya na sinabi ko, yung Herschel bag ko, ang bigat na niya kasi agad because of the leather straps. But I also like the leather straps. yun yung parang nangihinayang ako kasi I don't like the leather straps of this one. Ang downside nga lang ng Herschel bag na yun is sobrang laki niya, ang bulky niya, ang hirap niyang dalhin sa angka. I believe this is the perfect day-to-day bag for those na merong mga after gym or even after school activities kung nag-aaral pa kayo. So I really like this one. And ayun, this is not sponsored again, pero Bea Alonso, baka naman, call me. Baka naman. Ayun, I don't know how to end this video, but that's it. If you wanna check it out, go ahead. I don't know what to say anymore. So that's it. Bye-bye!